What's going on YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm trying to see if anybody know how come my siren box isn't working. I mean the Touch Master control box isn't working. Only thing that works is the lights. No siren, see? None of this is working. No siren, no nothing. Only the lights. I'm gonna show you. See? Only the lights. So I'm trying to figure out how come it doesn't work. It was working before, but I don't know. If anybody know how to fix it, I mean, I opened it up. There's no fuse blown out or nothing, but I don't know. So if anybody knows what's wrong with it, please let me know. Do I gotta get another one, or if this one can be fixable? Peace.